Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're on to lot number 2 now, which is a Honda C50 12 volt one with CDI. It's in a nice bottle green colour, classic colour. It has just over 13,000 miles on the clock and will be priced at €1,750. So, if we want to take a closer look at the bike, from front to rear, it has the larger front wheels and the little cubs, which we'll be going through later. But front wheel, no rusting or anything like that, as well as the front tyre being near brand new. No marks in the front mud guard. Front carrier has no sort of rusting in it either. Plastics looks very good. Also, in around the headlamp, very nice condition. Again, as we move down, there are some slight signs of rubbing along the engine, which is unavoidable nearly on them. It's where your feet go, so it's bound to happen. No real signs of rusting when we get this close either. Side panels in very good condition. Honda C50 standard. The dual two-tone seat is in good condition also. The rear carrier looks to have no real rust on it. Some slight signs of some surface rust underneath the rear spoke here, or shock. In along where the chain cover I should say, no signs of any rusting either. The rear spokes again, and alloy in the chrome, no signs of pitting or corrosion. And the back of the bike here on this left hand side is in great condition also. So when we move on to the right hand side, we'll go from the rear. Again, no real signs of any rusting here. Same on the spokes. Exhaust has the cover as well, which is nice to see. Some very minor signs of rusting, surface rust on the back there, but being very picky. Again, in the center of the bike, all very good condition. Some sites of rubbing on the engine covers. The plastics all look in very good condition. Green housing area of the light is in good condition. Front of the bike again, nothing really to make note of. So front and rear tires are good. Just about 14,000 miles on it, 13.5 nearly I would say. €1,750. So we are going to be taking deposits on these bikes at €150. And so if you are interested in her, please do contact us on our Facebook page, and we'll walk you through the process of the bikes arriving in at around September.